Hey everyone, it's Audrey, and this video is from my time in Japan. I mentioned I wanted to do a get ready with me in my pack with me video, so this is going to be that, plus kind of a travel routine, like what products I'm using lately for my travel look/convenience, so let's get into it. I filmed this video while I was in Osaka. I loved waking up, putting on my glasses because my eyesight is pretty bad, and going out onto our hotel room balcony and just taking in the view. Moving on to the getting ready portion, the first thing that I do is use the restroom for all my bathroom needs. Japanese toilets are pretty awesome, by the way. And then afterwards, I'll wash my hands, put on my contacts, and do my skincare routine, which I've already shared in my skincare routine video, so I'll link that. But back to contacts, I've recently been using a new brand on a free 30-day trial. This video is sponsored by that company called Faovision, and it's a subscription for daily contacts. If you yourself wear contacts, then you probably already know that it really depends on your situation and what your eye doctor recommends, but a quick Google search will tell you that annually, contacts are pretty expensive, and that doesn't include buying contact solution regularly. So Faovision is $33 monthly, and what I found really cool was that this subscription includes both eyes. I have different prescriptions for both eyes because my left is a little bit weaker than my right one, so I always have to pay double the boxes whenever I order my regular contacts. So this is a pretty affordable option, and I don't have to buy contact solution to clean these lenses. Another bonus is that the packaging is 100% recyclable, and the lenses are also naturally biocompatible. There's a ton of benefits which they list on their website, but those are the biggest ones for me. They also gave me a promo code if you want to try it out. The first trial month is already free, but you can use the code Audrie40 for 40% off on the second month. It's been a big convenience for me while traveling because I just want the ease of throwing away my contacts after a long day of sightseeing. Once I'm finished in the bathroom, I moved into the bedroom because I prefer to use natural light while doing my makeup. I'll list all the products in the description, but the first product is lip balm. It has SPF 20, which I need because I've been spending a lot of time outside while I'm here. For my hair, I put it into these two rope braids because I didn't want to bring a curling iron on my trip. I do this after taking a shower the night before, and it gives me these little waves. But just to show you, I split my hair down the middle and then section each side into two, twist away from my face, and then wrap those pieces around one another towards my face, securing with an elastic. Again, on the other side, twist two sections away from the face and then wrap around towards the face. Stays put through the night, and I don't have to worry about it. Moving on to makeup, I always use a bit of sunscreen with SPF 40. I've shared this one from Supergoop before that I like because it also acts as a primer for my foundation. The one I'm using I like to blend with a wet beauty blender all over my face just to even it out with the rest of my body, which is a little darker. I don't know if you can tell on camera though. The Milani one I'm using is also a 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, so I like that I can cut down to one product instead of using two. I like contouring a little with a cream foundation darker than my skin from Flesh Beauty, a little under my cheekbones, nose, and around my hairline for some dimension. I also like to blend a little on my eyelids and a lower lash line as an eyeshadow because I'm just not good at it, but I do want some color there. Next, I've been into this Glossier Cloud Paint in Storme for obvious name reasons, I think. So I dot a little of that on my cheeks and blend it up and outward to bring out my cheekbones even more, as well as a little on my nose so I look more sun-kissed. I set that with some translucent powder so it stays put, and then move on to eyebrows. Using a pencil to fill in and basically draw myself some brows. I follow the shape that I naturally have, but just fuller, using light strokes, and then brushing them out to distribute the product. After that's done, so my little brow hairs stay in place, I use a hair gel that I've put into this container. My brows grow downward and nothing else really works for keeping them brushed up and in place long term, so hair gel it is. For eyeliner, I do a peach liner on my waterline to make my eyes pop, curl my lashes, and then put a ton of my favorite Japanese mascara. I always buy this in bulk, either when I come to Japan or whenever I find it at a Japanese cosmetics store in California. I hope this shows on camera, but it does an amazing job of keeping my lashes curled and defined, and I just love it. I put a little brown liner to tightline my eyes as well, so that thickens my lash line. Touched up my eyeshadow a bit, and then applied my favorite lipstick from Milani. It's like a rosier version of my natural lip color that works for every day, so I've been wearing it a lot. That's all for the face, so after that's done, I just take my hair out of the braids and then I put these earrings on that I bought thrifted while I was in Tokyo. After I got changed, I remembered to put on deodorant and then went outside to film my outfit. My jacket is thrifted as well as my belt. Bag is a DIY made from old denim. Jeans are PacSun and shoes are 42 gold. So that's going to be it for my look. Hope you enjoyed this get ready with me / travel routine, and thank you to Faovision for sponsoring this video. Again, if you want to try them out, you can use my 40% off code on your second month, which is Audrie40. I have a lot more videos from Japan coming, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!